I'm Reverend Sharon Renae, and welcome to today's daily meditation for peace. And this meditation is part of our Inner Peace series. And today's meditation is trusting the divine flow. So when you're ready, remove yourself from all distractions and go to a quiet place, and let's get started. So let's begin by closing our eyes and taking a really deep breath in and letting out a long exhale and releasing all tension. And then let's take another deep breath in, going to soul center, tapping into the light. And on the exhale, feel that light flowing through your every cell and fiber of your being, and feeling the shoulders relax and the shoulders drop and the jaw relax. And let's take one more deep breath in, tapping to the love, connecting with the light. And on the exhale, allowing that light and that love to flow through you and every cell of your body. And if any thoughts come up during this meditation, don't fight them, just note them and continue on. And you in this moment are safe. You are held in love. You are home. You are spiritually centered. And sometimes life feels uncertain. We want to control the outcomes, the timing, the path ahead. But there is a deeper current, a divine flow that gently carries us when we surrender. Spirit is not distant. Spirit is moving within you, around you, for you. You don't have to figure everything out. You only have to trust and allow. And affirm with me, I trust the divine flow. I am guided. I am at peace. Again, I trust the divine flow. I am guided. I am at peace. So imagine yourself floating gently down a calm river. And the sun is warm on your face. The water sparkles in the sunlight. You're not paddling. You're not striving. You're simply being, held by the current of spirit. Feel yourself in the peace of letting go, of flowing down the river, being present. Notice the calm and the peace surrounding you. Knowing that you can bring yourself to the center point at any time by simply breathing in and out and affirming, I trust the divine flow. I am guided. I am at peace. Take deep breaths in and out, breathing that peace into your entire body, exhaling it out into your world. Coming back to the present, calmer and more peaceful, relaxed and knowing. And again, we affirm, I trust the divine flow. I am guided. I am at peace. And may you move through this day with ease. May you feel the quiet confidence of being spiritually supported and spiritually centered.
May peace be your anchor and your guide today. Thank you for sharing this sacred moment with us. This meditation, Trusting the Divine Flow, is part of our Inner Peace series, created to remind you that when you surrender to Spirit, you're never drifting. You're always being carried. May your heart trust the current, your soul feel supported, and your journey unfold with grace. To explore more meditations, spiritual resources, and ways to stay connected, visit us at spirituallycentered.org. Until next time, take a deep breath and let it be well with your soul. Copyright 2025. Reverend Sharon Renae. Produced by Rick Lowe.